need blackberries. Let's make some jelly.
Blackberries are naturally high in pectin, so this recipe we don't have to add any. The riper the berries are, the less pectin they have. So if you notice, I have some berries with a little bit of red on them. I'm not going to sweat it because those berries are going to be higher in pectin,
Which ensures that our jelly comes out like jelly and not syrup. Making jelly or jam is so easy, and it really doesn't take that long either. If that is something you use and you have extra fruit, I highly recommend making yourself some. It tastes so much better than store-bought.
we're ready to go wash them.
Okay, let's make some blackberry jelly. And we're going to use our 8 cups of blackberries and a couple tablespoons of lemon juice. Mash your berries down.
Keep squishing it.
I'm going to take the berries and strain them.
Straining the berries is only required if you want to make jelly. If you want to make jam, you can just skip this part.
So we're going to add our juice to the pot. Cups of sugar. Sugar is dissolved. Time to turn up the heat to medium-high. We're gonna bring the temperature up to 221, and then hopefully it's ready. So this batch is jam. I didn't take and remove the seeds, so if you don't mind the seeds, you'll actually get a lot more product for the amount of berries that you pick. Okay, this is not quite ready. This is a chilled plate and it's still a little bit syrupy.
You'll want to test your liquid to make sure that it's thick enough before pulling the pot off of the burner. If it doesn't cook long enough, it'll be syrupy instead of jelly. It's time to fill up the jars, pop them into the canner, and cook them in a water bath for 10 minutes. Yum!